Hey y'all, how's it going? Sorry I didn't hear you over the motor and the noggin protector there. I just got back from getting a new tire on my Mean Streak and I'm excited. I had the front one on March. This is July, so a couple months ago. The back one still had some miles on it, and I'm cheap, so I pushed it too far. Luckily, nothing happened. Should have changed it a month ago, but now I have two Marathon two Metzler Marathon ME888. I guess these are the Ultra Marathons, and I'm happy. Hold on, I'll show you. So just look how pretty that baby is. Don't have no chicken strips on it yet because it's still new. But yeah, I like the profile. I like the tread. I like the way it handles. So this one I had, like I said, since March, and coming from when I bought the bike, it had Dunlops on it, and I switched to Bridgestones, which were okay. It handled neutral, but when I went to I'm not going to talk about the Dunlops, because if you don't have something nice to say, don't say it at all. But when I went to these Metzlers, just the front, by gosh, I thought I was riding a sport bike all of a sudden. I thought I'd forgotten how to ride before I put the Metzlers on. I haven't gotten crazy because I'm still in the scrub-in period, riding at home. But with the first time two Metzlers, unless something happens, that's all I'm going to use on this bike. Vulcan Mean Streak was meant to use the Metzlers. But like I said, taking it easy for me on our winding, narrow road up to the house, it handled fantastic. And once the tire's scrubbed in and I'm ready to go, I just can't wait to see how it does. It went where I wanted to go, and it went into the curves like a dream. It's amazing how nimbly a big cruiser like this can handle with the proper tires and the proper fork oil, which it did not have originally. That made a major difference. But so far, the front tire, many miles. Let's see. I'm in California. I've ridden to Arizona on the front tire, and to many camping trips through mountains, and it's been great. And so far, thumbs up. Okay, that's all I got to talk about. Tires. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye!